Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to the SHIB update today. Right, so I was talking about 10 more days until SHIB doesn't do something. Now, unfortunately, SHIB is going to correct big time, all right? We're going to correct big time. And it is going to be scary when I say that we're going to correct big time, but the thing is that I'm still holding, right? The coins I have, and this is nothing more than what is known as a pre-halving dump. So when you move too much high and you have halving coming around the corner, yes, Bitcoin historically has corrected 25%. So if Bitcoin ended up dropping to $55,000, that couldn't be a surprise to me. And the thing is that you have this pattern here. And if I'm very clear, yesterday we talked about a break to the downside, and yes, you did break to the downside, and now it seems like the journey down to 1200 has already begun. Something that you probably didn't want to hear, but the thing is that it's Bitcoin, there's war going on as well, so there's nothing much in my hand at the moment. Thing is, this goes from there all the way down to here, and you may see the next technical target happening to 1317 one more time. Now 1317 turns out to be a big support probably for SHIB here. So if I show you previously where you was struggling to break here, I think you are looking for something like this. So it's definitely another very big support where you had trouble breaking above here, and it looks like you broke up and probably you came down for a dirty retest all the way to 1373. So probably once we're done with 1373, hopefully we kick off once again back up and we continue a little bit more higher. So that's all for the video. I'm going to the next family office.